Hello everybody. Hello everybody. Today I am going to be testing my Dodge, which is known as the pickup in the game Demolition Derby 3. Connection. Yeah. Oh yeah, guys, I finally managed to make it to my car. Now I'm going to test it in the winter wall because it's an off-road test. You can go. No, I'm giving you more time because I'm recording. Okay? Remember last video?
Okay. But how long? 1 minute.
What's going on?
Yeah.
It's an ad. A freaking ad. It's not a bad word. Hold on. I pause. Yes, alright. There. With my Dodge Rampage. The best way to be testing is to race it. And there's a race right over there.
Can I take over for you?
No. I'm driving. I'm literally... You know what? No. The race is gone. I could have done Animal Car today. But nope, I chose Demolition Derby 3, which is totally glitching right now. No. Yes! Saved! Now we make the drip jump. Yes! This is the best day of my life.
Why?
Mo! This isn't the type of video to be doing nobody like this.
Okay.
Besides, turning red is not a good movie. Encanto. We don't talk about food, no. We don't talk about food, no. My wedding day,
This is not the type of video to be singing.
This guy no clouds allowed in the sky. Okay, now we know that this Dodge Rampage doesn't seem to like off-road. Let's do the road. No!
Okay.
This game's got way too much glitch.
They're going the wrong way for the race.
Cop means video ends. Unfortunately. Because this video seems to gone too long. It was just glitching. But now the results are it doesn't like off-road. It is pretty slow for a one-seated pickup truck. And it needs more armor. Run away from the police! Actually, I regret that it's slow. But it can smash other pickups. Now, as always, stay tuned, kiddos.